Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. So now let's get into today's video. So today we are going to discuss about one of the good job opening from Cognizant, that is campus hiring for 2022 batch. And they have titled it as Gen Z, for which they are going to offer 4 lakh per annum. And the hiring has already started by August 21 end, and still the hiring process is going on. So still you are eligible to apply for this role. So here you have to face 2 rounds, out of which round 1 is aptitude test and other round is technical interview and your HR discussion. So once you have cleared both the rounds, you might get your offer letter within less than a month. So now let's see what will be the eligibility criteria for this. All BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MS candidates from 2022 batch are eligible to apply for this role. But students should have either 60% or even more than 60% of aggregate throughout your academics from 10 to their highest qualification. Also, you should not have any active backlogs and you should not have more than 2 years gap throughout your education. So, candidates who are having more than 2 years gap throughout their education are not eligible to apply for this role. Also, at the time of joining, the candidates might be cross-checked if they are following this criteria or not. And so, these are the mandatory documents that you should have while appearing for the interview process and registration as well. A resume attached with your passport size photograph, college ID card, all the academic documents including the school certificates and college semester mark sheets and government ID proof, either Aadhaar card or passport or PAN card. And from Cognizant, we have 2 categories here, Gen Z Elevate or Gen Z. So if a candidate applies for both of the categories, the application will be rejected. So you should apply either for Gen Z Elevate or Gen Z category. And students should be of 18 to 28 years of age to apply for this role. So now let's see how you are going to register for this. Just scroll up. And you can see register now here. So click on register now. So if you're already having a Superset account, you can just sign in with your email address and fill all your personal information, academic details and so on. But if you're not having a Superset account, just click on start registering. It will be redirected to Superset page where you have to enter your email address and click on next. So after clicking on next, it will ask you to enter your personal information, academic details and other details also. So just fill all those accordingly and apply for the off-campus drive. So this is how you have to apply for this role. And also you can refer to one of the latest job opening from TCS, where I've already discussed about this in our channel, and I'll also mention the link in the description. Please do check it out. Also you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs from some other reputed companies in our channel. So please check it. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.